What's up guys? Today we got 6 unboxings. This video is just going to be 2 of them. Today we got the Ray-Ban/Meta sunglasses. One that's transition, so it goes from sunglasses to normal. So that way you can wear them indoors. And the other one's just sunglasses, but it's like a different design. So we have the Wayfarer and the headliner. Now, if you have not heard about these glasses/sunglasses, they are crazy, like absolutely insane. So this one is the Wayfarer, like the more square ones. That's the transition ones I have. And then we got the headliner, which this is the more circle ones, and these ones are like brown. So let's go ahead and let's test these first. Listen, call, live stream. So obviously you can listen to music with these, with sunglasses, I know, right? You can call people, there's 5 freaking microphones in it. And you can live stream or video with them. It's crazy, I know. First, let's see how they look. So you see this case charges them. So they got a good amount of charge. My friend and I used it basically all day and didn't really have any issues. Pretty cool, right? Let's see how they look though. Slip that off. Listen. Ooh, beautiful. A little tight, but that's good. That means they fit. You know, I don't know what I look like. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Okay, so I look all right with these. I wouldn't say great. I don't even know if I can record yet. But what you do to record is you press the button on the side, the top right. I don't know if it's working. It might be dead. Not sure, but we can charge it. That's for sure. But honestly, I might just decide based on the looks right now which one I like more. Pretty highly likely. So, all right, let's open the second one. Be pretty similar. So fast forward through this part since it's the same. Open. The cases are identical. So getting the same thing there, but the glasses, the design is different. These ones are more square. You see, we're indoors, so they look like glasses. I look pretty bad with glasses. These are the Wayfarer ones. They're the more square, sophisticated looking ones. I do look like a computer scientist. Actually, see, that's the nice thing about not having to wear sunglasses indoors is that you can see things. Wow. I think they're dead. I'm gonna charge these before I can test them, but first impressions, I like these more than the other ones. I'll show you what these look like in the sun too, so you can see that. So this is actually a USB-C charging port, so the same thing that Android uses, same thing that new iPhones now use. So it's gonna be pretty easy to find. So when it's charging, it turns an orange color. Flashes, I guess. All right, let's let it charge now. Okay, I'm told the correct pronunciation is Ray-Ban, whatever. Turns out you had to pair it first. So there's a QR code on the inside of the box that lets you download the app, and there's also an on switch on the glasses. So I didn't turn them on last time, they're already on, so that's why I didn't know. It's called Meta View. Downloading, open it, take the sunglasses out. I guess you have to pull this tab out of the case. Boom. Still charging the case. The on button is actually the switch over here inside of the glasses. Looks like on is with the red covered, I think. So there'll be like a little red. If you can't see the red, it means it's on. So we're gonna say get started. Continue using my Instagram account. Let's see if I can even remember my password. Oh, I just heard a noise. Login battery 78%. Cool. It's talking to me. This is sick. I feel like I'm in the future. How is that not my password? What's my password? I swear that was it. Let's see if it's this. I don't know my password. Oh, I bet it's... I'm not going to give you hints. I'll almost give you a hint as to what my password was. Let's get started. We're going to select Ray-Ban Meta because that's the newer version. Move the tab, did it already. Leave the glasses inside the case so they can power and charge. Okay. Connect. I found them. Cool. Connecting via Bluetooth. Pair. Activating. Finding local area network. Now it's downloading a 263 megabyte update. So this is the setup. This is what you're guys gonna have to go through the first time you get these. It'll be worth it though. You'll see. Capture life's best moments. So one unique thing about these is it's POV. you get to relive the experience for the price of less than a GoPro. I think it's worth it. And to be able to listen to music, replace your AirPods, which mine, only one side of my AirPods will work at a time. They won't both work at the same time. So I think these are incredible. And I've heard mixed reviews, but you know what? Like, if you test something out and you love it, who cares what anyone else thinks? And that's what's happening with these with me, is I love them. I can see the creative applications that you can use these for, and I'm so excited to use these like every day, especially when I'm traveling. It's gonna be so fun. All right, it now says put on your glasses. We're gonna let the computer tell us what to do. It makes such cool noises when you put them on. Glasses on, learn basics. Take a photo, press the capture button once. So if I go like this, oh, it makes like a shutter sound. That's so robotic. Start recording, press and hold the capture button. The LED blinks to show others you captured. So if I press and hold, it's filming now. Honestly, it's not that noticeable. If I press the capture button again, then it will stop recording. So you don't have to record the whole time. You can just record a short video. Tap the touchpad once to play music. It says this on the side. It started playing music, but it's just a demo. So swipe forward like this to turn the volume up. You can literally see on my phone. Other way to go back down. Tap the touchpad once to pause music. That's the basics. Now let's set up some advanced features. Ooh. Say, hey Meta, and go hands-free. Get answers on the go, find creative inspiration, and control your glasses with your voice. What? Discover Spotify tap, communicate hands-free, customize voice settings. Okay, so what Spotify tap is you tap and hold the touchpad for 2 seconds, tap and hold right side, to play a recommendation based on your listening taste. Interesting. Communicate hands-free, connect WhatsApp, Messenger, or your phone contacts to call and message. I think just phone contacts. I don't use WhatsApp, almost never use Messenger. Settings, Bluetooth, glasses, turn on show notifications. Okay, language and voice. You can select the voice. Yeah. We got low, calm. I think you can hear it. I want a woman to talk to me. Medium steady. Medium steady sounds pretty vibey. Musical. It's like a southern woman. What the heck? I think I'm gonna go with medium steady. I guess you can change the rate at which they talk. Let's change it to 1.75 and see what it sounds like. It's like one of those YouTube videos you put on double speed. It's very jarring. I think I'm gonna leave it on normal speed. So right off the bat, I see at the top of the app, it says to media found imports. That's going to be the picture I took in the short video I took for the tutorial. First, hey Meta, tell me a joke. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. I'm dead. Okay, let's import these. Join Wi-Fi to import media. Join, importing. So honestly, pretty easy, right? Imports the videos pretty quickly. Very intuitive, much better than the Sony app. Just saying. The image line or whatever it's called. That's FL Studio, that's not right. Imaging Edge, that's what it's called. It's the Sony camera app. It sucks. Low access. Ooh, the audio is really good. I'll show you the video. Play it right now. It's on my phone. Pretty sick. And it's like wide angle too. I love this thing. It's filming now. Honestly, it's not that noticeable. If I press the capture button again, then it will stop. Let's go see what it looks like outside. I don't think you can hear it, but I love that you can listen to music with these. It sounds better than my AirPods, just saying. It's windy out here.